In this video, we should explain the function of the Samson service liquid valve, and also illustrate its working principle at the startup of the pump and during the operation. In order for a liquid ring pump to function, it must constantly be fed with water. In practice, this means that the water supply should be blocked when the pump is not in operation. Otherwise, the pump will be flooded. Traditionally, this problem is solved by either installing a standard ball valve or a solenoid valve. The disadvantage of the ball valve is that it must be manually opened and closed when the pump is running or at a standstill. This problem can be solved by a solenoid valve, but in return, this option requires a control system, which is making the installation costly. In order to solve this problem, Samson Pumps has developed a special service liquid valve that automatically opens and closes simultaneously with the pump operating. This valve ensures that the water supply opens as the pump starts, but also that it closes when the pump stops. The service liquid valve requires no connection, neither to compressed air or electricity. It's designed to the hydraulic pressure from a liquid separator or from a water tank, which is located approximately 1 meter above the water intake of the pump. The valve is controlled only by the overpressure created in the top of the liquid ring pump, which via a hose is navigated further on to the service liquid valve. When the pump starts, the overpressure will be forcing the valve to the open position and thereby will open for the water supply. As the pump stops, the pressure will disappear and the valve will close. At starting up, it's important to ensure that the water supply is opened. In practice, an empty liquid ring pump will not be able to provide the necessary pressure for opening the valve. When a new or dry pump is started, the liquid ring valve must be held open manually for 30 to 45 seconds. After that, the valve will automatically remain open due to the pilot pressure. If the pump hasn't been drained after last operation, there will already be service liquid in the pump, wet startup, and the valve will open by itself. Therefore, there will be no need for manual opening of the valve.